If I can address our COVID situation, as you know, we are hopeful that we will see a plateauing and soon, hopefully, decline of these cases across the state of Washington. We've seen an explosion of that, of course. The latest modeling suggests that that may have already occurred in Western Washington, but east of the Cascades, we would expect to see a continued rapid increase in these cases. We're doing everything we can to help our overburdened hospitals. The National Guard is now on duty in the hospitals, and we're doing everything we can to help hospitals, including getting them a contract for additional personnel and increasing long-term care facilities so we can move people out of hospitals into long-term care. We hope that we will experience what other countries have experienced, that we will see a rapid decline, almost as rapid as the increase that we have experienced. But we cannot let our guard down now. We all are in a very challenging time in our hospitals. We need to look for a long-term solution, and I just want to note that. Look, we are looking forward to the days when this becomes an endemic situation rather than a pandemic situation. A day that we can return to a much more normal status. And yes, we're happy that our restaurants are open. We are extremely happy that our schools are open. We're happy about our economic growth, but we're really looking forward to the days when we can remove some of our requirements. But I can tell you about this, when that day comes, it will still be really healthy for people to get the vaccination. I just cannot stress this enough. The people who are dying today in our hospitals, dozens every single day, they are dying because they were not vaccinated. And the evidence continues to mount of the importance of this and the efficacy of it. You're maybe 10 times more likely to be hospitalized if you're not vaccinated. You're probably 20 times more likely to die. And here's an important point I want to share with people today. If you get the booster shot, you're 2 to 5 times safer than if you just get the first 2 doses. So we don't know when we're going to get to this endemic situation, but we do know that the ability for this booster to keep you out of the hospital will still be very important. So we hope people continue to get their booster. Tens of thousands of people are continuing to do so. Let's keep that up. That will accelerate the time when we can get into the endemic phase. Some good news in our efforts. Our Say Yes COVID Home Test.org is working. It's now delivered 1.4 million test kits right to your door. It was pretty exciting. I talked to some people who actually got the test kit the morning after we got the website up. So we're really happy about that. More will be coming. Of course, that's dependent on the supply chain. We've got all of them we can order, and we'll look forward to that restoring, increasing supplies when that supply chain opens up. So we remain in a precarious place. We have more work to do. We look forward to continuing our joint